Alright, so here we're going to look at this question. The question is to solve the equation sine 2 theta is equal to cos 4 theta. Solve the equation sine 2 theta is equal to cos 4 theta. So the equation I have here is to solve sine 2 theta is equal to what? Cos 4 theta. Alright, so the first thing I would want to do here is to convert this sign to what? Cos theta, so that I can cancel out the cos. So you know from complementary angle, from the rule of complementary angle, that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Alright, that is one of the rule of what? The complementary angle. So sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So instead of me to write sine theta here, I'm going to write cos 90 minus theta, alright? So we have that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. But what I have here is sine 2 theta. So if sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, sine 2 theta will be equal to cos 90 minus 2 theta, alright? Sine 2 theta will be equal to what? Cos 90 minus 2 theta. So instead of me to write sine 2 theta here, I'm going to write cos 90 minus 2 theta. Alright? So that will be cos 90 minus 2 theta, open bracket, bracket close, is equal to what? Cos 4 theta. Alright? So that my cos will cancel out what? My cos. So what I now have is 90 minus 2 theta is equal to 4 theta. So what I'm going to do next is to collect like terms. So I will take this 2 theta, this minus 2 theta to the other side of the equation, and that will become plus 2 theta. So this will be 90 is equal to 4 theta plus 2 theta. Alright, when this minus 2 theta crosses, it becomes plus. Alright, so this will be 90 is equal to 4 theta plus 2 theta will give us what? 6 theta. Alright, so in other words, 6 theta is equal to what? 90. So for me to look for the value of the theta, I will have to divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of theta, which is 6. Alright, so this will be divided by 6, divided by 6, so that this 6 will cancel out the 6. So my theta will be equal to 90 divided by 6 will give us what? 15 degrees. So my theta is equal to what? 15 degrees. Alright, so this is a very simple and a straightforward question. The main thing that you should know here is to know the rule of complementary angles, that sine theta is equal to what? Cos 90 minus theta. And then sine 2 theta is equal to cos 90 minus 2 theta. Alright, very important.